Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will presenting our data analysis, which is our title is diameter of abalone. So first of all, I want to introduce my group members, which is me, Musharafata binti Zuli, with Nur Ain Alia binti Sa'dun and Nur Ashira binti Muhammad Bakri. So for our data, we got our data set from Kaggle website, which is this data is about the characteristic of abalone. And there are 9 variables in this data set. So we decided to pick 2 of them, which is gender and diameter of abalone. And in this data set, the female and male data were all scattered. Then we decided to sort it using Microsoft Excel, and we finally get the separated data of the diameter for male and female abalone in millimeter. So there are 1,307 data count for each gender. So this is we have sorted in Microsoft Excel, so it becomes more organized, and this is what we will use for data analysis. So next is our objective. So the first objective is to find the confidence interval for the diameter of male abalone and female abalone. So the second objective is to find the confidence interval for the difference between the diameter of male and female abalone. And then we will continue with the analysis and the result.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ain Alia binti Sa'dun. The objective is to find the confidence interval for the diameter of female abalone. Here is some part of the dataset of the diameter of female abalone. There is about 1,307 dataset of it. In this project, we use Excel as our tool to find the objectives. First thing first, in order to get the value of mean, standard error, and others value needed, we need to click the data analysis at the right top of the Excel. Then we need to insert the information asked in the blank space. After done inserting data information, it will show the data needed such as mean, standard error, and so on. As we can see here in the slide, show the data needed to find its confidence interval of diameter female abalone. Count is the number of observation which is n. For female, we need 1,307 dataset. The confidence interval in the box is actually margin of error. In order to get confidence interval for mean, we need to find lower confidence limit and upper confidence limit. In order to get lower confidence limit, we need to make a calculation by x bar minus margin of error. By using Excel, we just have to insert the value of mean minus with margin of error. Then we got the value of lower confidence limit. For upper confidence limit, we just have to sum the value of mean and margin error, so that we got the value of upper confidence limit. So we can conclude that the 95% of confidence interval for the diameter of the female epsilon is between 0.45088192 and 0.4585828481.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ashira binti Muhammad Bakri. For my part, I want to explain how to find 95% confidence interval for diameter of null abalone. First of all, I use Excel for find the 95 confidence interval. So we have set the Excel to data analysis, and here in column E and B have a sex which is male, and B is column of diameter. Then this is the result after you set the input range and output range. So here you have see the margin of error or error estimation. So if you want to search 95% confidence interval for mean, we have to find the low confidence limits. So we use the formula G9 minus G22, which is G9 is mean and G22 is confidence level. Then for the upper confidence limit, we use the formula G9 plus G22, which is mean plus confidence level, which is margin of error or error estimation. So we get the result. So we can conclude that 95% confidence interval for the diameter of male abalone is between 0.42 and 0.441.
So next we will find the 95% confidence interval for the difference between two mean. So for the first, we will find the mean difference, which is how do we get is from the larger mean, which is the mean of the female abalone, 0.455. We will minus it with the smaller mean, which is 0.436, and then we will get the mean difference. And for the margin of error, we will get it from the square root of addition between the two sample variant over their count. So the square root of the first sample variant, the first sample variance is of the female is 0.05 over with this its count, and then we're gonna add it with the second one sample variance, and then over by count. And then we got the margin of error. For the Z value, we use the 95% of confidence interval. So the alpha value will divide it by 2, which is we got 0.025. And then we got the Z value from the table, and we got this 1.96 for the Z value. And then we will find the lower confidence limit, which is by mean difference will be minus with the multiplication of margin of error and Z value, And for the upper confidence limit, it's the same, but we just add, it's not minus. Yes. And we got 0.024 for the upper confidence limit. So to sum up, so first we got 95% confidence interval for mean of male abalone is in between 0.432 millimeter and 0.441 millimeter. Meanwhile, 95% confidence interval for mean of female abalone is in between 0.451 millimeter and 0.459 millimeter. And the second is we got 95% confidence interval for the difference between two mean is from 0.012 millimeter to 0.024 millimeter. That's all from us. Thank you.